How to see your Snapchat call history. Hey there. Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see your call history on Snapchat, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to easily access your call logs on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, swipe right or tap the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to access your chat list. In your chat list, you'll see different conversations. If you've made or received any calls, there will be small phone or video call icons next to the chat. To see more details, tap on a specific conversation. Inside the chat, you'll find a list of past calls, including their type and timestamps. Keep in mind that Snapchat doesn't store call history for long periods. If you need to keep track, make sure to note important details elsewhere. And that's it. Now you know how to see your call history on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.